For nearly 2 decades, the Machinery Directive has set the rules for selling equipment in the European Union. But change is coming. On January 14th, 2027, the Machinery Directive will be replaced by the Machinery Regulation, and that change matters. Unlike directives, which allow each country to interpret and enforce the rules their own way, regulations are uniform. One rule across the entire EU. If your machinery is already on the market, you're in the clear. No changes needed. But for new products, there's a transition period. Until the deadline, you can still comply with the old directive. After that, everything must meet the new regulation. And here's the catch. Inventory already on the market before the deadline will be grandfathered in. But anything sitting in a warehouse outside the EU has to be recertified before it can be sold. For most manufacturers, the changes will be minimal, but for those working with AI, robotics, and advanced tech, the impact could be significant. Change is coming, and if you want to stay ahead, you need to be ready.